Question: have you ever found yourself in a Venmo pickle, needing help but not knowing where to turn? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo customer service. We'll explore the different ways to get in touch, what to expect, and some tips to help you resolve your issues quickly and efficiently. Hook: imagine this, you've just sent a Venmo payment to a friend, but it's not showing up in their account. Panic sets in. You're worried about your money, and you need answers. What do? That's where Venmo customer service comes in. Understanding Venmo customer service. What is Venmo customer service? It's the team behind the scenes that helps Venmo users like you resolve issues, answer questions, and provide support. Why is it important? Venmo customer service plays a crucial role in ensuring a positive user experience. When you encounter problems, they're there to assist you. How to contact Venmo customer service. 1. Venmo Help Center. This is often the first place to start. The Help Center is full of articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides that can answer many common questions. 2. In-app support. If you can't find the answers you need in the Help Center, try reaching out to Venmo directly through the app. Look for a help or support section within the app itself. 3. Social media. Venmo is active on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. You can try reaching out to them through these channels, especially for urgent or time-sensitive issues. 4. Email. Venmo provides an email address for customer support. While it might take a bit longer to get a response compared to other methods, it's a reliable option. Tips for effective communication. Be clear and concise. Clearly explain the issue you're facing and provide as much detail as possible. Be patient. It might take some time to get a response, especially during peak hours. Follow up. If you haven't received a reply within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up. Common Venmo issues and solutions. Payment problems. Discuss common payment issues like failed transactions, delayed payments, and chargebacks. Account issues. Explore problems related to account verification, account limits, and account closures. Security concerns. Address security issues like unauthorized access and fraudulent activity. Best practices for avoiding issues. Review terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's terms and conditions to understand the rules and regulations. Use strong passwords. Protect your account by using strong and unique passwords. Be cautious of scams. Be aware of common scams and avoid sharing personal information with strangers. Additional resources. Venmo website. Provide a link to the official Venmo website for more information. Community forums. Mention any relevant online forums or communities where Venmo users can discuss issues and share experiences. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the importance of effective communication with Venmo customer service. Call to action. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel for more helpful content and to share the video with others who might benefit. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.